Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pwease token. It's just like please, instead of the L, it's a W, and Pwease is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. Very popular token, trending number 6 right now on Dex Screener in the Solana section. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it, because this token just got a very big central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token does have a quick audit that you could find on Dex Tools. It says contract is verified, no honeypots, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, contract is not freezable, and no other risks. So that's good to see that. Now they have here 7,100 holders so far, 6 decimal places on this token. First mint was March 2nd for this token here. It was created on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. You could tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now, pump.fun tokens start out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and they're deflationary. And right now, the current supply for this token is 999,957,417 tokens. Now, if you go over to their Soul Scan, you can find all sorts of links, like a link to GMGN, Bubble Maps, Gecko Terminal, Rug Check, Photon. There's all sorts of places to see the charts, like Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Bird Eye, etc. We're going to have a look at the Rug Check here in a second. Now, this token here is trending right now, number 6 on Dex Screener in the Solana section. It is up 420% in the past 24 hours, and token price is 0.006 USD. Now, it was just announced on Twitter that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting today, so it is listed now. It says the Pwease token initial listing alert is now available on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Pwease, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. And if you're into Solana meme coins, there is another big listing happening tomorrow on Mexc for the Pepe Cat token on the Solana blockchain. That's a huge project being listed tomorrow, along with the Chill coin. So ticker symbol CHC. That one is on the Binance Smart Chain. But yeah, 2 big listings happening tomorrow on Mexc, and then this big Pwease listing happening today. I posted some videos yesterday as well for other Mexc Global listings that are happening today as well, so check out the old videos from yesterday. Those tokens are being listed today. So this token's doing very well. Right now it's up 458%. Now the Pwease token in the past 24 hours has had 89,255 transactions, and it's got $17.7 million worth of 24-hour trading volume. They have 3 different liquidity providers right now for Raydium. Market cap and fully diluted valuation are $6.3 million. They have $367,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX Screener, 87.86% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get it off of Raydium. First of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Solflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on DEX Screener, SolScan, DEX Tools, Birdeye, etc. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You would trade your Sol for the Pwease token. Or you could get it off Mexc Global. It's an easy way to get it as well. Now, you probably won't have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium. This token may also become available on other decentralized exchanges for Solana, like Orca, Meteora, Jupiter. Now, right now, there's 1,339 pooled Sol in Raydium, which is equivalent to 29,299,548 pooled Pwease tokens. Now, this pair was actually just created on Raydium 1 day, 14 hours ago. It is a very brand new token, and they've already had a community takeover, it says as well. So it says community takeover, a community claimed ownership for this token March 4th, Pwease to the moon. So Dev is out of the picture. This token is run by the community. Now their rug check says risk analysis is good, and the Raydium pool has 2.95% of the tokens. The top holder has 1.75% of the tokens, and everyone else is less than that. So no giant whales or anything like that. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.